What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we got some car shit we're working on. We got little exterior mods for Sylvie. Some, honestly, the best rain guards really that we could find. The $60 rain guards, the darker $50 rain guards, but they're darker than the Subaru OEM ones. So they're getting those on now. EOS. We already got the clips on.
So we're gonna
We got the clean Audi daily here today.
My hole's lined up.
I did too far. So we just take this. And then you can take this. You're gonna stick that on in a minute. Are you lined up?
Yeah.
Now you can press on the two ends, like the front and the back here. Start pushing on it. And then we can peel through here. Oh yeah.
Big difference.
Alright guys, so now we're just gonna do the same thing to the back. Put the clips on.
You're gonna take this off.
Peel this off.
Don't take the,
Like this?
No, so talking about
Like
this.
this
Don't take the blue thingy off. Does not take the blue thingy off.
That's good. So then this goes in here. This.
Wow, no shit.
I think.
Let's see you.
And then now you can push that back in already. There you go.
There it goes.
Now we can line it up onto the window.
con el gusto.